In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Beginner Tutorial. Add product options in Shopify. If you're selling the same item in different sizes, colors, or materials, you don't need separate product pages. Instead, you'll add product options so shoppers can choose exactly what they want from a single page. This keeps your store organized and makes it easier for customers to buy. Start by heading to your products list in your Shopify admin and click on the product you want to edit. On the Product Details page, scroll until you see the section labeled Variants or Options. This is the area where Shopify manages different versions of the same product. If you're new to this, think of options as the categories customers pick from, like size or color, and variants as the actual combinations, like small blue or large green. Click as Add Options. First, give your option a clear name. Size is a great example. Then add your values, such as small, medium, and large. Type each one, and press Enter after every value to create a neat bubble. These bubbles confirm that Shopify recognizes each choice. A quick tip: keep your spelling and capitalization consistent to avoid duplicates or confusion, and list the sizes in the order you want them to appear. If your product comes in more than one type of option, click Add another option. Common choices include color, material, or style. As soon as you add multiple options, Shopify automatically builds every possible combination for you. That means if you have 3 sizes and 2 colors, it creates all 6 versions, like small blue, medium blue, large blue, and the same for the other color. You don't have to add each one manually, which saves time and reduces mistakes. Now, scroll down to the variants list. This is where you can fine-tune each version. If a larger size costs more to produce, set a higher price on that specific variant without affecting the others. If you keep separate stock for each color, turn on inventory tracking per variant so the store shows accurate availability. This helps prevent overselling and keeps customers informed. When everything looks right, hit Save at the top. With that, your single product becomes a complete collection of choices. On your storefront, customers will now see selectors for size, color, or whatever options you created, making it simple to pick the exact version they want. That's it. More options mean more happy customers, and your product is now perfectly customized, clean, simple, and ready to sell.